y'all. Okay, so let me lift you up just a hair. Just a tad. Come on back over this way. There we go. I got a snack size and it's not for me. I'm going to give this one to someone for Christmas. She doesn't watch my channel, so it doesn't matter if that I'm showing it and talking about it. This one is Blue Summer Wren. I'm waiting for it to focus. It doesn't wanna. Come on. It is a round. It is 7.7. It's 6.7 by 6.7 inches, which is 17 by 17 centimeters. And it is by Lisa Francis Jude. Yeah. So I went ahead, I cracked open the wrapper. Oh, this time it's on the top. And of course we're not focused. Why would we focus? I don't know. Okay. So here's what it looks like. There are 9 colors, y'all. 9. There's one AB. Whew. There's one AB. That's it. One. What if it's in the roses? I would put them in the roses. So I hope they're in the roses. I may go back and get this one for myself. It does have the little tiny one. In case you've missed all my other unboxings, let's look at what's in here. Here's your toolkit. Since it's round, you do not get the death tweezers. Okay. Here is your pen, and you get a squishy so that your hand tries not to cramp up. You get wax, and these two are stuck together. That's cute. They like each other. They want to stay together. You now get a 4-placer applicator. You get a tray, a clear tray. Most people like the clear trays. I'm going to break these apart. There we go. Put them back in there. And you get a ton. I bet there's more than 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 bags. There are 25 bags in here. There are only 9 colors. Oh well. She will have bags for later. She will. She'll have bags for later. Okay. Gonna put these back in here. Like I said, this one is going to be my mom's friend's Christmas present. Here we go. Okay. Let's open this little snack size up. I'm trying to be careful not to tear it. It's so little. It's so little. I'm not taking the beads out because it is, oh my gosh. It is going to be a gift. Oh, y'all, that's so pitiful. Y'all, look. You can just about see all the colors. Yeah. So you can see 6 of the 9 colors without me taking them out. Here is the directions, which are on the back of the box, and there's a coupon code. Okay, I'm gonna roll this backwards just to get it to kind of lay down so we can look at it. This is so sad. It's so little. I could get this done in a weekend. I could. Okay. It's cute though. Okay, the AB is number 1, and I was right. It is in the roses. Yay. Come on, focus. Please focus. There we go. Super clear. Those are the roses. And then you have a wren on top of the teacups. And there's a placemat. So, yes, I do like this. It is cute. It is so cute. It's like, it's so little. Yeah, I can't help it. It's so little. It's so itty bitty. I'm just saying. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, my mom's friend just had shoulder surgery. Hopefully by Christmas time, she will be back into the diamond painting. Maybe this will get her back into diamond painting. It is a little one, so it's not like it would, you know, take her long. It wouldn't stress out her shoulder. Might be good therapy for her shoulder. Get it moving, you know. Okay, so we're going to put this in here. And put this, I really, really think that I need to get one of these for myself. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on, get in there. Get in there. Shove it in. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. Ah, got it back. The struggle was real. Okay. So let me grab the inventory. Yes, I'm even putting this one in the inventory because I want to, you know that I got it and I gave it to her. And we're just 6.7 by 6.7 inches, which is 17 by 17 centimeters. Well, that's not written. I don't know. I got it on the 2nd. I really think I'm going to order myself one to do just as a snack size, just a little snack. Okay, see, I bought it for this one for Pat because she's only done diamond dots. And, you know, I made a note that I'm giving her the kit. I'm not doing it for her because usually I do them and give them away. So, there you have it. Okay. There we go. Quick and simple. Nice and easy peasy. All right, y'all. So, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you're looking for a snack size, baby, this is it. This is it. It's so cute, though. It would be great in, like, in a kitchen. It would be great in a kitchen. My mom's doing the whole blue and white stuff now in her dining room, kitchen, living room area. It's very open space. There's a lot of open space. So, she doesn't have a lot of wall space. She has a lot of windows. But this one might be perfect for her. All right. I hope you enjoyed this one. And, you know, until next time, guys. Bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.